Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to our
Grand Adventure.
Where are we going today?
Parrot's Bay!
Yes, we're going to Parrot's Bay, which is just outside of Kingston. And we've been there a few times before. It's a really nice spot. Oh. Last time we went, it was like just entering spring, so the paths were all icy, so it was really hard to walk, but we're hoping today it's better.
We went on a little bit of a jeffing tour yesterday, so I promised Hailey that today it would be just a nice scenic walk, but I brought some jeffing gloves just in case we find some little critters that we need to get a closer look at. So I'm very excited. I think today it'll be good for wildlife too because it's a little bit cooler this couple of days.
And it's overcast.
Yeah, and we're probably more likely to find some things that want to get out and get some of that sweet summer heat. Bye! I was reading there's a lot of reports that like migrations and wildlife activities happening like a lot sooner this year than in previous years because it's been really nice. So it really like it's only barely the middle of April now. So
smell that? Harvest is a magical thing.
No.
No.
That's it's a good thing you can never get slogans right, otherwise we would get sued. Anyway, which video is this? Number 5?
Number 5.
Mambo number 5!
We're getting up there.
2, 3, 4, 5. Popeyes makes your hamburger a wonderful thing.
We're so cool. What's that? I missed it. It's a whole water.
Hello.
And the water is gone. Look at these beautiful houses. Why is it zoomed in?
That's a raven right there.
That's Raven. Over there. Somewhere. You missed it. Okay, drive. Taxi.
Miss Banji.
Banji.
Miss Banji.
Say what? Okay. Do you want to see anything else?
Anything else?
And on that note, bye.
Bye. Here we are at Parrot's Bay Conservation Area. Let's go!
Aha.
So we're going down a different path this time on Parrot's Bay. We're like not going down the, I guess the bush path. It's more like
The grass path.
open.
The field path. The tick path.
Yeah, Lacey had a couple tickles on her yesterday and I had one as well. So hopefully we'll be a little bit more, we won't have his main problems with tickles this time. Tickle bug. See the flicker?
today. For lunch, we have the single best thing in this entire world. Cleo's.
Vegan white chocolate peanut butter cups.
Oh, one for you, one for me, none for the dog. They're so good. 10 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
How are you liking the hike so far?
Very humid today.
Mm-hmm.
I shouldn't have worn this sweater. These are our life straw bottles.
Mm-hmm.
We had these puppies when we were volunteering in Costa Rica.
Mm-hmm. Slice, you want to come up here?
Come on. Oh. She's a little short and stout.
Sit. Sit. Girl.
Hi, Pumpkin. Pumpkin pie. Her breath doesn't stink.
Lucy, what's that? What's that?
Behind us, there's a couple of Canada geese honking away.
Are you getting comfy?
I kind of want to check out the shore, see if there's any goodies around here. Is that okay? Also, in case anyone's asking, it's called Fashion. Look it up. So I'm right behind it. Do you see it? Okay.
Ooh, I do.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
So it's just hanging out, so I don't want to freak it out. But if you look, right where my finger is pointing, that is a northern water snake. And obviously they eat fish, but their fangs are like pointed backwards, like this, so that any slimy fish that had them escape its grip. Not constrictors, they just kind of move their jaw forward and they swallow it that way. So I'm just going to move away without freaking them out too much. Looks like a male, hard to tell. Oh god, oh god, ah, Jesus. Sorry, sir. Very, very cool. It was right there the whole time and I totally missed it. I went down to the water like an idiot. Can you guys see the leopard frog? It's dead center. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
This looks like a really good area too for salamanders, but it's elevated quite a bit, so the soil's probably not that damp. Oh.
We're on the main path now. There we go. And beyond the tree line is the bay.
Goodbye.
The bay.
Goodbye.
Oh. 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 So we've come to a crossroad. 4 or 5. Oh my gosh, you're in the way. So we're here. 4 takes us up here or up here, and then 5 takes us here or up here. So we're gonna go up here. Oh my gosh, look at these little purple flowers. They're so cute.
What kind of flowers are
Yeah. What have you found, Jeff?
redback salamanders. Well, salamander, just one. So one of my old profs told me that redback salamanders have more biomass than moose in Ontario, which means if you took all the moose and all of the redback salamanders in Ontario and put them each in their own buckets,
Oh my god.
the redback salamanders would weigh more. Okay. Now the trick with when you flip logs and stuff over like that, you can't just roll it back over the animal, so you have to kind of poke it away from underneath. Just a little bit like that. Get him to go out of the way so that when you roll the log back over, you don't squish him. Just like that.
We've made it, guys.
How'd you like that?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It got kind of muggy out, but
Yeah, it's about to rain, so it's very humid and gross.
yeah.
Buckle up.
What did we see?
So in total, I saw four water snakes?
3.
Three water snakes. That was cool. I'm really hoping to see a little bit more diversity of snakes though, because I feel like it's either garter snakes or water snakes.
Mm-hmm.
There are gray rat snakes in this area, and they're my favorite snake ever. So I want to find one of those. Saw salamander, redback salamander. That was cool. You saw flowers.
I saw flowers.
So Hailey's satisfied.
We also saw a parrot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Bye guys. Thanks
Oh.
for being part of our.
Hope you enjoyed our adventure.
Thanks for being part of our
Grand adventure.
Grand.
Grand adventure.
Grand.
Grand.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.